Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel workflow automation, and in this automation we are going to see how we can work some steps in VBA macros on a Mac. So once you'll download the file, you will see the file in a folder. Right click on it, go to properties, and here you need to select the unblock at the right bottom. Click apply and OK. This will allow you to work with the XLSM file, which is the macro file, XLSM. Now I'll open the file. Previously, if you will open the file directly, it will give you an enable editing or some option which are not normally open in the Excel, and you have to open those. In case if you need to open those, let me tell you another way to do that. You can click on File, Options, and here you need to go to Trust Center setting, Macro settings, and here you need to click the Enable VBA macro so that the macro file can work on your PC if those are not available. So this is how you can activate on your PC in case needed. Otherwise, the steps I just told you, that right click on the file, go to properties, go to the right bottom and click on the unblock. Once you have are done with it, I have also made the automation in this. So I'll just change this number of years. Let's make it 7. And you can see now we have 7 years available starting from 0. And here you can enter the numbers which will calculate the reflective percentage automatically. Now, for example, if you have selected 7, and you can see the percentage as well, which is based on the amount only. Um, Now, if you have already selected 7, but you want to select 4. So what was previously happening, that it was not removing the text at the bottom. So let me select a 3. So you can see as soon as you select 3, this will clear the rest of the manual entries, and the formula for the CGR got updated. And you cannot see any other formula other than this one. Sorry. So you can see the formulas in the years, amount, returns, and there is only one Kaggle formula. Um, Let me do it for another 9, maybe another 20. So you can see it will work for any number of the years, and there will always be a two rows space at the bottom, and then the Kaggle calculation. So let me make it 5 again so that you can see on the screen, and it's 6.6%. If you will make the change, that will get updated real time. So that is it from my side. The limited things, there are some limitations. Like for example, if you are having a file tab name example, this will work. But if the file tab you are changing, we need to make some modification in the code. Other than that, I think you asked me for merging the cells. I think it's good to keep the unmerged cells for this column, as we are calculating it on the um, in the column HI. You can always have the cell merged as well. I'll do that and I'll update the file for you. We don't need that. You can merge this and keep a formatting. All right, let's try now. So if I'll make this 9 now, the formula is not working. Let me fix it and then continue recording. All right, so let's try for 2. Working fine. Let's try for 9 years, and let me make some numbers, some random numbers, and you can see it's working fine. So this is how you will see the merge cells, and there will always be a Kaggle at the top, at the bottom. So I think that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.